Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Interactive Brokers, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Interactive Brokers website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the Login button usually located in the upper right corner. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see two fields, one for your username and another for your password. Enter your username into the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Before proceeding, ensure that your login credentials are correct. Once you've confirmed, click on the Login button at the bottom of the page. If your credentials are accurate, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. In case you forget your username or password, look for the Forgot Username or Password link. Click on that link for instructions to recover your credentials. Follow the prompts to reset your password or retrieve your username as needed. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section or contact customer support. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. Congratulations, you are now successfully logged into your Interactive Brokers account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.